Hello and welcome to our episode. In this episode I'm going to talk about M63, also known as the Sunflower Galaxy or NGC 5055 in the New General Catalogue. This is a beautiful spiral galaxy, one of 4 galaxies located in the Canis Venatiae constellation. This is often stated to be an easy target to view as the close by M94 galaxy. However, it is a challenging target in a small telescope and completely not visible in a pair of binoculars. Although, in a 6-inch telescope, the nebulosity around the galactic core should be visible. The Sunflower Galaxy is a challenging target due to its low surface brightness of only 13.6. Often, you will find with galaxies that the central part of the galaxy is much brighter than the galaxy's arms, but in this case, the centre of the galaxy is only slightly brighter than the galaxy's arms. This is because M63 is a flocculent spiral galaxy, which means the galaxy has a patchy and discontinuous spiral arms. Of course, this diffuseness makes it quite difficult to spot against a light-polluted sky. In fact, it is even difficult to image this galaxy against a light-polluted sky, as the light pollution tends to drown out the spiral arms. The best way to try and view this galaxy is to wait until the galaxy is high in the sky, which should be around March to May. This ensures that it's away from the worst of the light pollution on the horizon. A dark as possible location is also recommended. In fact, if you're lucky enough to live in a dark sky area, then M63 will just be as easy to view as M94. Other than that, I would recommend an 8-inch telescope such as the Dobsonian, as this should bring out the spiral structure of the galaxy. However, this isn't essential, as I have a 6-inch telescope and have gotten reasonable results. Location-wise, M63 is in Canis Venatiae, a northern hemisphere constellation, which itself is located near the easy-to-find Ursa Major constellation. So, starting with the Big Dipper or the Plough asterism, head down the handle of the Plough past the stars Alioth, Alcor and Messier before ending with Alcaid. Finally, visualize drawing an imaginary line from Alcaid to the brightest star in the Canis Venatiae constellation, Cor Corelli. As you head down this line, you're going past the M51 galaxy. I covered this in the episode linked above. However, you'll want to continue heading down towards Cor Corelli. If you see a triangular group of stars, you have already gone too far and need to head back up a little. You'll need to look for a slightly fuzzy patch of light, something looking like this, with a medium power eyepiece to locate the galaxy. I captured about 1 hour's worth of images to create this stacked image and drizzled image of M63. This is where the images have been combined together to reduce the noise and improve the quality of the image, as well as to increase the sharpness and size of the image. This shows the arms of the Sunflower Galaxy in a 6-inch telescope from the Bortle 7 area, so it is possible to capture even with smaller equipment and bad light pollution. The Sunflower Galaxy is actually a massive 130,000 light years across and contains over 400 billion stars with many starburst regions. Surprisingly, even though there seems to be significant distance between M63 and M51, as you saw in the star map earlier, M63 is actually part of the M51 group, which are gravitationally bound along with 6 other smaller galaxies. Well, that's all for another episode. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask them below. And if you liked the episode, please leave a like. It really helps out the channel. If you'd like to see more astronomy videos, then please do consider subscribing. Goodbye and clear skies.